Wanted terrorist and founding member of terror organization Indian Mujahideen or IM, Yasin Bhatkal was today arrested from Raxaul in Bihar along the Indo-Nepal international border. Bhatkal had been followed by central security agencies for the last 6 months before he was apprehended on Wednesday.
Investigating agencies say Yasin Bhatkal was involved in the May 2008 Jaipur serial blasts, a series of 9 synchronized blasts in a span of 15 minutes at different locations in the city. 63 people were killed and 216 injured. Yasin Bhatkal is wanted for his alleged role in the July 2008 Ahmedabad bombings, in which 21 blasts hit the city within a span of 70 minutes. 56 people were killed and over 200 were injured. The 13th September 2008 Delhi bombings were a series of 5 synchronized bomb blasts that took place within a span of a few minutes at various locations. 30 people were killed and over 100 injured. Bhatkal's hand is also suspected in the February 2010 blast at the German bakery in Pune. The blast killed 17 people and injured at least 60 more. The Delhi High Court bombing, for which Bhatkal is wanted, took place in September 2011, killing 12 people and injuring 76. Bhatkal is also wanted for the 2011 Mumbai bombings, often referred to as 13/7, when a series of 3 coordinated bomb explosions at different locations in Mumbai killed 26 people and injured 130. Bhatkal is also wanted for the April 2010 blasts outside Bangalore's Chinnaswamy Stadium. 15 people were injured. A third bomb was found and defused. Bhatkal is a key accused for the Hyderabad twin blasts of February 2013 that killed 17 people, which included at least 3 college students, and left at least 119 injured.
Agencies have confirmed that the main mastermind of the Indian Mujahideen, Yasin Bhatkal, and 2 of his associates have been arrested. In fact, the Maharashtra ATS has put out these posters across the city of the Yasin Bhatkal and his associates. In fact, this is the first poster of Yasin Bhatkal clearly mentioning that he is the one who's wanted by the Maharashtra ATS in various blasts in Mumbai, including the 2011 Zaveri Bazaar and the Opera House blasts in Mumbai. Here is the second one who was arrested along with Yasin Bhatkal, Asadullah Akhtar Javed Akhtar Urf Haddi Urf Tabrez Urf Shakir Urf Danial. This is the one which was arrested along with Bhatkal. His role is very crucial in the 2011 Mumbai blast. He was in fact arrested. He was accused of making bombs, and he is the bomb maker and the bomb planter. The third one over here is Waqas Urf Ahmed. He is the one who was also arrested along with Yasin Bhatkal. He is accused of planting the Opera House blast in 2011 by the Maharashtra ATS. All these 3, including the 4th one which has not yet been arrested, have been accused by the Maharashtra ATS of planting bombs in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad and Pune blasts, and have been the main masterminds of the Indian Mujahideen. With this capture of Yasin Bhatkal and 2 of his associates, the intelligence agencies claim that this is the beginning of the end of Indian Mujahideen.
ये कल रात में यासीन भटकल हमारे इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज के सोर्सेस से पकड़ा गया है और अभी बिहार पुलिस के अंडर है, इंट्रोगेशन चला है.
The government has always reiterated that we will not be soft on terror and we will take any kind of steps that have to be taken against terror. We have waged war against anybody who has waged war against this country by economically or in economic terror or by planting bombs in our country. Today is a great day since we have arrested the co-founder of IM, Yasin Bhatkal. But we shall not rest till all the people who have waged war against this country on our soil or from other countries have not been arrested.
I think it's a major achievement for our agencies, and it's a major blow to terrorism. He was the most one of the most active terrorists in the Indian Mujahideen. He used to plan strikes, terror attacks, and he used to also be involved in planting bombs.
हम सस्ती लोकप्रियता के लिए कभी थोड़ा सा हमको सफलता मिले उसको लेकर खड़े हो जाएं और कहें कि देखिए हमें लोकप्रियता हमको अब तो मिलनी चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं है। बड़ा गंभीर विषय है, हम अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझते हैं और संपूर्ण संतुष्टि देश को हो, ये हमारा प्रयास रहेगा।